Mathematics. Word problem. A man 1.7 meters tall observes a bird on top of a tree at an angle of 30. If the distance between the man's head and the bird is 25 meters, what is the height of the tree? If you are given a question like this, the first thing you should do is to make a sketch to understand what the question actually means. Solution. First, we are going to start with the sketch. If the man is 1.7 meters tall, observing a bird on top of a tree at an angle of 30, and we have the distance between the man's head and the bird to be 25 meters. We are to find the height of the tree, so now let's make the height from the man's head up to the bird position to be y, and the height of the tree to be x. If you observe, you will discover that the tree height, which is x, is the same as the sum of the man's height and y. Now, let's solve the arithmetic. We now have a right-angled triangle, and we need to find y. Since we are looking for the opposite side and we have the hypotenuse, we will use sine rule. Sine 30 degree will be equal to y all over 25. Tapping sine 30 degrees using a calculator, we will have 0.5. So now we are going to cross multiply so that y will be the subject of the formula. Now we have our y as 12.5 meters. Then we can go back to the height of the tree, which is the same thing as y plus 1.7. After the addition, we have 14.2 meters, which is our final answer. Therefore, the height of the tree equals 14.2 meters. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe.